it's all pretty wet, it's been raining, but if we get over here, lots of orientation flights. These girls are busy. Don't know how close I want to get. Don't know if you can see that. They're going up and up and up into figure eights. Working out their location. There's bees coming back with pollen. Lots of bees coming back with pollen. I think I've got a fairly big hive. They are very busy. Now it's not a swarm leaving, and I don't believe it's an attacking swarm because there's bees coming back with pollen. So if it was like a robbing or an attacking situation, they would just be bees coming in and bees leaving. If it was a swarm, they'd just be pouring out of the hive. There'd be none of this floating around. So these are all doing their little orientation flights. I did have a lot of caproot in there, so last weekend, so you know, it's to be expected. They're certainly busy, and it's been raining, so it's obviously eased up now. So they're getting out and about and. Zoom out a little, might be able to see them zipping around up there. Then I might have a wander around the other side, see if I can see anything inside, but I have a feeling I might get stung. So, here we go. See what happens, eh? They're really getting busy on those flow frames. There's a lot of bees in there. don't know if I can get down the side here. Here we go. That is a lot of bees. Try and get back around the other side. Things you see when you're having a day off work. That's so cool. Definitely not a good day to be playing inside the hive, I can tell you that. Anyway, they're having a great time. I'm sure it's just because of the weather and they've been trapped in there for most of the morning because it's been pouring with rain here. And they're just trying to get out, spread their wings, do their thing, do their orientation flights, work out where they are. Well, I hope you enjoy it, and we'll catch up with you next time. Bye for now.